Hey beauties, winters are at the corner, which not only means wrapping yourself in quilts and drinking hot tea, but also to have a new glow up to make your winters more memorable and productive. In this video, I am gonna lead you to become the prettiest version of yourself while enjoying the winter and its holidays. Winter can be lazy and tough, but with the correct routine, it can be transformed into the best one. So let's get into it. 1. Skincare. Let's start with some simple skincare that can be easily followed. 1. Cleansing. During winters, your skin tends to become more sensitive, so avoid cleansers, which includes harsh ingredients. Different skin type require different cleanser, so choose right cleanser for your skin, such as for oily or combination skin, use foaming or gel-based cleanser, and for dry skin, use cream or hydrating cleanser. Wash your face twice a day, once in morning and then in night. 2. Moisture. Choose a light moisturizer, which suits your skin, and apply evenly on your face and neck. You can even use body moisturizer to apply on your body. Tip: you can use a face mask twice a week. 3. Sunscreen. Don't ever skip sunscreen even in winters because of cold weather. UV rays can still affect your skin. Choose a sunscreen with SPF 50 and apply it every day. 2. Hair care. The winter waves can leave your hair frigid and day. It's important to take care of your hair and keep them shining all the season. Wash your hair twice a week. Choose which days can be easier to wash your hair during school days. Use conditioner after washing your hair. Don't forget to apply hair oil. Use argan or coconut oil to have shiny hair. Tip: wear a hat or scarf to protect your hair from winter cold wind. 3. Body care. Take a shower once in a day with a gentle soap or body wash. Hot water bath can feel amazing, but using warm water can be good for skin. Using hot water can make your skin more dry. Apply a body lotion. It can be good if lotion has shea or cocoa butter. Tip: apply a deodorant to smell good all day. 4. Lip care. It's normal to have cracky lips during this season, but you need to take care of them. Exfoliate your lips twice a week with a lip scrub. After exfoliating, apply a hydrating lip balm. If you don't like colored lip balms, you can go with colorless lippies too. 5. Diet. Having a healthy diet is essential throughout the year. What you put inside your body reflects your outer self too. Consuming a healthy diet is a major step to achieve a glow up. Try to avoid junk food by setting it up as your winter goal. Include more veggies, fruits, and protein in your diet. Also, don't ever forget to drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Tip: keep a cute water bottle along with yourself wherever you go. You can set up reminders to drink water. 6. Workout. For workout, you don't need to do heavy exercises, but giving 15 to 20 minutes a day can pay you off. Take help from YouTube or Pinterest to choose simple exercises. Listening to podcasts or relaxing music can motivate you to work out daily and can be really helpful. Workout not only keeps your body fit, but also helps you to focus more easily and can reduce stress. 7. Fashion. You can still slay into your individuality during winters. Winter fashion has its own place. You can wear cute woolen or furry clothes which are warm. Wearing bright colors can lift your mood. You can wear tops and sweaters and cover them with long jackets and muffler. Wearing a hat can enhance your overall look. Tip: wear cute jewelry matching with your outfit. So that's all what you need for your winter glow up. I hope I covered everything that you need in this video. Don't forget to tell me in comments and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Have a happy winter!